In this video, I'm going to be showing you how it looks like when you're using a volume license media to install DocuWorks. And as what I have mentioned, there's two types of media that's normally provided when you're buying DocuWorks in the market. So usually there is a what we call a license activation version where trial is there as well, and then you can also download that ISO file directly from the Fuji Xerox Direct website. But for volume license, it's actually different because you can only get it directly from sales or from marketing. And once you have this media, this is the only media that you can use or attach to the license that you currently have for volume license. So let me show you the steps on how to get that set up, and you can see that there is a difference between the activation. Okay. Right, so let's go ahead and start selecting it as English. Okay, it's just extracting everything for us. Right, so DocuWorks 9, preparing to install. Okay, click next. I agree with the license agreement. Now, if you can see over here, this is where volume license differs from the normal installation media. So for volume license, we normally gonna be asking you about the serial number, organization, the username that you are using, because normally for volume license is actually more towards to um, volume based requirement by companies. And usually, whenever they are using volume licenses, there is no authentication required. And usually, offline authentication is not really available, and everything has to be activated online. So, but yeah, understanding with volume licenses, it doesn't really require any authentication online anymore, as it is actually just bundled in with that particular um, media that you currently have and the license that you have, yeah, purchase. So there you go. So that's the difference between having a volume license if you are to install. Um, DocuWorks with volume license and what's the difference between the ISO file. Now, I do have a video that has been recorded on how to download the DocuWorks license authentication media. Okay, if you wanted to use the normal license authentication method, how to get the media if you no longer have the CD, you can get the ISO online. But for volume license, gratefully, there's no available option for you guys. Okay, so please bear that in mind. There's two types of media, and for volume license, you can only get it directly um, to your marketing or sales. So please go ahead and get that from them. So let me know if you do have any further questions. Thanks for watching.